National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Muskogee County and east central Oklahoma until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northwest of Clifton, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Muskogee, Braggs, Greenleaf State Park, Summit. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.